Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel Lachey for all you new subscribers. In this video I'm just going to be showing the progression of the greenhouse and just some different stuff we did. We put in I keep saying me and my mom put in like a makeshift patio from stepping stones I already had, and done some other things around the greenhouse. So just showing some planting, and I will update y'all later in the video on some growth of things, but that's all this video is, and I hope y'all enjoy. What you doing, Magic? You want to cross the creek? Come here. Come here, see me. There's that pretty girl. There's that pretty girl. Yeah. There's that pretty girl. What are you doing? He has an attitude. Ooh. little update on stuff growing in here before I end the video. I just planted these today, so these are zinnias and this is a snapdragon. No sprouts of cilantro yet, or the catgrass, or the milkweed, or any of the fairy card stuff. It's been a week. Whoa, I just hit that. A week today since I planted them, so they might not come up. I don't know. We do have some daisies coming up. There's a little one right there. And forget-me-not. There's not any. Oh, looks like there's one. And then there was a small daisy sprigging here. Oh, there it is. And then moving over here, no cosmos are coming up yet. We got several marigolds coming up there and in those. None in these yet. No lavender and no morning glories. So they may not come up. I actually figured out, well, I didn't figure it out. My mom just reminded me that the day I planted all these, it was actually considered like a barren day. So it could be that. It could be the fact that the seed is old. So anyway, I got some new seed this weekend and planted these and some potted plants out front. So hopefully they'll all come up, and there's still hope. There's still time. It got really cold again here in this part of the country this week, so, which it stayed pretty warm in here, but still they need it to be warm. But that's the growth so far. Still haven't, that's kind of gross. I still haven't gotten rock in here. I need to poke some holes in this tarp so the water can go through. I'll probably do that here in a minute. I've brought this boxweed, is that what it's called? Boxwood, I think is what it's called, bush in here. It was a baby off mine out front, and I've been trying to get it to grow ever since I got it. My mom's yelling at something. Oh, Nelson just climbed up on that tire. Can y'all see? Yep, there he is. That ignorant thing. Anyway, I'm gonna see if it will grow any better in here and try to baby it some more. It's just been out in the open and I haven't really babied it, but hello. But Lee, don't mess this stuff up. You'll be the one to mess it up. Now quit. Are you? No. No. Nope. You're gonna get out. I can already see you. Come on. I'm going out too. What the crap are you doing?
He come and run up my leg and run over me and up on there. I wish you could have got it on film.
You silly thing.
I can't get this to move over to put that in the middle.
You silly Nelly.
going to say that from the mature strawberry plant, it puts off the babies or the runners. And you can detach it and set it, but these are still attached, so we're just going to put them on too.
How did these get cat hair in them?
Because they got it there and rubbed on. No!
Pigs! What are you doing? Lee, what are you doing? Or Elvis? What are you doing? Nice pigger! You better be careful, bud. This is gonna be slick.
Like, and then maybe you might help catch him.
He loves it.
You love it?
He loves the green.